At Koh Kock Leong Enterprise, we are a key player in Singapore's civil engineering and construction industry, recognized for our expertise in earthworks and material handling. With a team of over 1,000 skilled employees, we handle a wide range of tasks, and it's essential that we have reliable equipment to get the job done. When we needed to upgrade our aging fleet, we turned to Hyster. Previously, we were using equipment that struggled on rough terrains and couldn't handle taller loads. We had to improvise with alternatives, which caused delays and inefficiencies. Hyster trucks changed all that. We have been using Hyster trucks, including the 3-ton XT, 5-ton UT, and 5-ton rough terrain for over 2 years now. They are proven extremely reliable, handling everything from heavy lifting to delicate loads with ease. And the best part, no breakdowns. Hyster Trucks has transformed our operations. Special features like the blue reversing light keep our workers aware and safe in busy environment. The trucks are also very stable on rough terrain, and the ergonomic design makes it easy for our operators to handle them even during long hours. In the 2 years we've used Hyster, we've only had one minor isolated issue with an attachment. Hyster's service team responded promptly and fixed it right away. It was a small problem, but their fast support gives us full confidence in the brand. Hyster has improved our efficiency and safety significantly. The reliability of the trucks, paired with exceptional after-sales support, makes a real difference. I would definitely recommend Hyster to other companies. They are reliable and their after-sales service is excellent. It's been a strong partnership for us.